health insurance in Edgewood, Kentucky. When you are at that time in your life where you feel that you want some good health insurance, then you will also want to consider getting a policy on yourself that is not too costly. Term life is the one that is considered to be the more affordable or the cheapest that you will ever be able to find for yourself. There are some ways on how to get insurance such as term life as long as you know just what you are buying into. Policies are not all the same. Many are produced differently depending on the company. Some are much more better than others. Be sure to state just what type of health insurance it is that you are wanting. Term is always the best bet as you will get a plan for some agreed amount of years which will determine what your monthly payments will turn out to be. You can buy some plans that may go up to 5 years or more, and then they can go on up to a much longer period. Many people really do not know just how much insurance they will need. You may want to take into consideration just what your other sources of income is and how many dependents you have in the family, what your debts are currently, and then there is your own lifestyle to factor into the mix. In many cases the guideline can be about 5 up to 10 times of your yearly salary. There is always the types of policies to think about. Many experts will recommend that should you be at an age that is under 40 years of age to choose term life, which can offer you a nice death benefit without any cash value. Others may want both the death and cash value. However, this will be much more costly to you. In most situations, about half of the cash value of these policies are given up about some time within the 7 from the time it was instated. And should this be the case, it will be very costly because of the large commissions along with the fees, which will limit the cash value from the early years. Not many people are fully aware that the fees are put into the investment, and these people do not know just how much of the money is really going right to the agent and not the policy. Whole life is the more traditional type of policy, as it is known that the premiums will stay the same until your death even if the policy is paid off. Also, cash is built up over the years, however you really will not have any control of how it is invested. There is variable life, which will build up some cash that you will be able to invest with from the choices given to you by the insurance company. But the cash you get will depend on how well the investment is doing at that time. If you are interested in life insurance that is quite cheap, then you can always get a policy that is provided by your employer's group life plan. This type is also term life, but you are only covered as long as you are still employed by the company. Should you want to buy life insurance? Way on how to get insurance, it is suggested that you go online and use the resources there and start to learn all you can about the basics in regard to life insurance. You can take the advice of a broker that you can trust and take any recommendations with a free evaluation insurance advisor, so this way you will have some help in deciding just what type of life insurance is best from you.